Hello and welcome to week 5. In these lectures, we first read Indian thinker and scholar A.K. Ramanujan's influential essay, Is There an Indian Way of Thinking? This essay tries to think about Indian heterogeneous ways of thinking, where he particularly looks through the framework of context sensitive and context free paradigms and tries to understand Indian concepts and ideas like inconsistency, the fluidity between self and non-self, and the context-sensitive nature of our existence and living. We see how Ramanujan unpacks this entire gamut of thematic concerns and lays it out across Indian oral and print cultures through various vernacular and dominant traditions. And we see Ramanujan's essay as establishing an important framework through which we can understand the negotiation between modernity and tradition. In the later parts of the week, in the later lectures, we will read R.K. Narayan's famous short story, A Horse and Two Goats, as exemplifying some of the ideas of Ramanujan and see through a cross-linguistic encounter how questions of untranslatability, local cultures, orality, concerns of indigeneity and post-coloniality come across.